Tasting, 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 tasting. Hey guys, welcome back to Stovetop Yum Yum. And today I'm starting my mini brand chop series. Mom has to roll this dice for our protein. And we have a lot of mini brands right here. And Mom does not know anything about this. So I gotta keep it quiet until I can. Yeah?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What is all this?
It's my mini brand.
Are you recording? Oh my god.
It's my mini brand chop series.
Hey guys, what is this?
That's your protein dice. You have to roll it and you get a protein.
So are you challenging me? He's challenging me. Are you challenging me?
Yeah.
Are those mini brands? Oh, watch out.
Hey, those are not for right now. Those aren't for right now.
I don't have anything. It's alright. What is in this? What is this?
These are our 5 special ingredients, guys. There'll be 5 ingredients.
What are they?
I can't tell you. It's a surprise. You're going to have to
You
open
picked 5 mini brand ingredients for me to cook with a protein?
Yes.
Challenge on! Alright, so what do I do first?
First things
Open
first,
it?
we have to roll the dice.
Okay, guys, I'm going to roll this dice. Let's see. Oh, my God. Okay, you ready? Watch out. I'm going to roll it.
Roll it.
Roll in, roll in, roll in.
Oh, you gotta spin
roll
it
again.
You gotta spin it again.
That's a no-no. Chicken! This is what I got. You guys can't see it. Chicken. Okay, chicken. Now you said there's mystery ingredients in here?
There is mystery
Let's see.
ingredients. Our special 5 ingredients.
I'm scared, you guys. Something's moving in there.
Look at our 5 ingredients.
Oh my lord, you guys. Look at the 5 ingredients that I have to use with chicken and create a dish. Look at this, guys. Ore-Ida golden crinkle fries. Got that. Velveeta shells and cheese. Newton's almond and rice crackers. Really, Carlito? Oh my god. Bagel bites? Oh my goodness. And Heinz ketchup. Look at this. And Heinz ketchup, guys. Well, I do know that I have ketchup in the fridge. Let me see. I have Velveeta shells. So I have ketchup and Velveeta shells. So I'm going to leave these in the basket. Excuse me. I don't have these. I don't have these. And I don't have bagel bites. So guys, we're heading to the grocery store. Come tag along so we can get these ingredients. We'll see you there. Hey guys, we just arrived at the grocery store. So let's go in and grab our 3 ingredients and our protein. You ready, Carlito?
Yes, definitely.
Let's do it. Okay, Carlito, Ore-Ida. Oh, bagel bites. Anything? Pepperoni bagel. Golden crinkle fries is our last ingredient. So now I'm going to see what kind of chicken I'm going to get, you guys. And we will see you in the kitchen.
Hey guys, me and Mom are back in the kitchen. And she's already started cooking. We got all of our ingredients.
I haven't started cooking yet. But here are the ingredients from our mini brands. We've got our golden crinkle Ore-Idas, our Velveeta. Oh my god, bagel bites. I had ketchup and the Velveeta and the Nutins. Okay, so I'm getting ready to create the strangest protein with chicken. So I grabbed chicken breast, guys. Alright, Carlito, so what else is up?
Well, we got all of our ingredients, and I just wanted to tell you something.
What?
That I didn't tell you.
What?
You better hurry. You got 20 minutes.
What? Wait, that's not 20 minutes. That's cheating. That's 19.
Oh, that is?
Alright. Alright, 20 minutes. Did you say my time?
Your time starts 20 minutes.
All right. I got it. I'm on it. All right. Chicken.
Okay. Nice. She's putting oil.
Olive oil, yes.
Olive oil, yeah. Oh yeah,
Chicken
Mom.
breast. Yes.
You started already air frying the fries.
No, I have not started air frying no fries, but I'm going to air fry my fries. Fries over here in my air fryer. I put some of my non-cooking spray in my air fryer. And I'm going to air fry my fries. What recipe or what I'm going to make, I have no idea yet. So I'm going to go ahead and get this going, guys. I'm going to do that. Okay, we're going to make fries. Turn it on. Fries. No preheat. And we are going to start. All right, that's in there.
That's nice. Your chicken's looking pretty good. So have you thought of a
All right. Fries are ready, guys. Fries are ready. Let's see if I can make it through this challenge. What do you guys think? You have to. All right, fries are ready. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Time.
Our time, let's see. 7 or 6 minutes.
Okay. Yes, I can put some salt because I'm all about adding flavor. And about cleaning my station as I'm working. So we got that mini brand out of the way.
Nice. You adding salt?
A little bit of salt to the fries.
I'm your taste tester, I'm your judge.
Yes. Alright, so let's see what we got here.
Nice. I picked out some weird ingredients.
But a real chef will make it work. Right?
Yeah,
a real chef will make it work.
That's right, baby.
That's what real chefs do.
You're making it work right now.
Alright, so now we're going to garnish with some of our crackers. Guys, I got 5 minutes left.
Nice, a nice crunch. You're adding crunch in there.
And my dish is finished.
Show the camera here.
These are my macaroni and cheese chicken fries.
Those look delicious.
Doesn't it? Okay, so I still have 5 minutes so I can clean my station. I am done. So let's advance. It took me 15 minutes. She did it. Let's see.
No, it goes out by itself.
Time to taste. Let's see what let's see what CJ thinks of this 20-minute concoction. CJ, here you go. Tell me what you think. I'm going to be standing right behind you.
It's really hot. This fry's too big. Okay, we got a perfect bite here.
You like it? So how'd I do, CJ?
It was crunchy. It was tasty. It was cheesy. I like the crinkly fries were really good with it.
Yeah, it was really fun. And always remember, you guys, all you need to incorporate is passion and love in any series, in any series, any challenge, anything you do in life. Just incorporate passion and love. Look how I took those, as odd enough as they were, those 5 ingredients that were so odd, and I turned them into a delicious dish. You liked it?
It was great. It was delicious.
So did I win this week?
I'm gonna say that's a win.
Ding, 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 ding. So guys, wait for us. We're going to have our Stovetop Yum Yum Mini Brand Chopped Edition on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you guys. And you don't want to miss this. It was so much fun. We'll see you next time. And always remember, as I always say, guys.
Au revoir. Te quiero.
I love you.
I love you. And we'll see you on the next episode
of Stovetop Yum Yum. Mini Brand Chopped Edition.
Series edition.
We'll see you later, guys. Bye. Hope you had fun. Bye.